Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Richard Stevenson and I'm an emeritus professor at UCLA and I'm the Director of Education at Stevenson Dental Solutions in San Dimas, California. I'm really looking forward to directing the upcoming Advanced Restorative Continuum, we call it the ARC, at the Arthur A. Dugoni School of Dentistry in San Francisco. I invite you to join us for the unique mentored workshop in restorative dentistry. Our goal is to take you and your practice to the next level. See you there.
During the in-depth training sessions, you will be presented with a practical and clinically validated approach towards occlusal stability for all your restorations, anterior and posterior. I will oversee your progress and tailor the program to meet your individual needs. You will receive honest feedback to enable you to reach your clinical goals and to best serve your patients. Our no-nonsense, evidence-based scientific approach is highly focused on hands-on techniques that are designed for dentists seeking enhancement to up their game in private practice. The amount of hands-on training and guidance you will receive in this intensive program is unheard of. You will learn to harmonize aesthetics and function to provide your patients with long-lasting, natural-looking restorative results. This is real clinical dentistry that you can implement in your practice right away, and you will feel confident doing so. Regardless of the stage of your dental career, a seasoned practitioner or a recent graduate, I know you will benefit from this advanced restorative continuum. Hope you can join us for this program in San Francisco.